Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Today we will learn sound of S. आज हम S की sound के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. So let's start today's lecture. Here you can see S. The sound of S is S. The sound of S is S. Okay. Now I tell you with action. Okay. Firstly, wave hand, okay, in an S shape like a snake and say okay. So this is the sound of S. Now here I'll share one story with you. You can see some picture here. Okay. Okay. You can see one dog and one boy. A boy has taken his dog for a walk in the country. The name of boy is Sadiq that start with S. Sadiq, okay? And the name of dog is Spunny. Spunny start with S also. Spunny, okay? After this, the dog is frightened by something in the grass and start to bark. Okay, like this. There is sound. There is sound and a snake slither away. Snake. Okay. So students, after this, here you can see a snail and a snail observe the situation that create in this picture. Okay. When the snail saw the snake, it also got frightened. So children, this is very difficult situation. This is very difficult situation for the Sadiq and his Spunny. Sadiq and Spunny. Okay. When they saw the snake, they both, Spunny and Sadiq, run away from the country. So students, this is our today's lecture about sound of S. I hope you got it very well. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.